And again. That's good though.
Coming. I was ready.
Yeah, that would mean though when someone tried to step in at that moment.
Bang on
No
the floor.
chance.
Wandia's
No
the winner.
Oh, what was that?
Wandia's the winner.
Shot. Come on, don't celebrate early.
Alright.
2, 4. Good. Double. Right hand. 3. Right hand. On the camera view if it's recording. 2. 4. Double. Right hand. 3. That's it. 3. Dusted off the cobwebs. 2. Double. Right hand. 4. 1, 2 slip. Oh, good. Right hand. 3. Double. 4. Double. Good. 2. Up again. Straight. Double. 4. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2 slip. Up again. Straight. Double. Right hand. 4. Good. Keep it up. Right hand. Good. If I step in, I want you to pivot out the way. Good. Double. Good. 4. Same again. If I step in, where you going? Double. Nice. Good. 3.
I'm back, baby. I'm back, baby.
Come on. Hands up.
I'm tired,
Finish
baby.
it. Come on.
I'm
2.
tired.
Finish it. Hands up. We're gonna fight through it. You're gonna poker face me. Pretend you ain't tired. Pack. Only big shots. Pretend you ain't tired. Finish them off. Uppercut. Pack. Sit. Tired. Let it out. Finish them off. You're tired. Get rid of them. But finish it now.
He's out.
Not
He's
yet.
out.
Not yet.
He's out.
Not yet. He's taunting you. Chef, what was that? Come on. 4. Fight it up. 4. You made it.
Yes. Yes.
Close. Poke room at the end.
Good evening, guys. I've just finished work. I've had my supper. I'm about to finish my glass of milk. And then I make the bed. Anyway, it's Tuesday, it's evening. I need to prep because I want to shoot tomorrow. I have 4 outfits I want to shoot because the sun is out. Sun's out, boobs out, guns out. Not boobs, I'm joking. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you my backdrop. I'm so proud of it. I'll stick to pictures of how I combined these two together. Super proud of myself. I just think that is stunning, simplistic, el natural. I just like it. The room is it's a right state. So I'm not gonna even pan down or even pan to the side, or it's a hot mess. These are my shooting clothes. I told you, it's a mess everywhere. But then the highlight of my day is clean bed sheets. I put loads of fabric softener. They smell delicious. So I'm gonna make the bed. I washed my wigs because I don't like when they go to be glue is a lot. So I wash them regularly. Maybe that's why they thin out all the time. So I washed it the other day. It's dried. I want to style it so that tomorrow, straight after work, bang, I go shoot some content. But I just thought I'd check in with you. I've not lifted the camera or switched on the camera since my Saturday session with Matthew. And I won't have much content. So maybe I'll take you guys with me when I'm shooting the content. But it's gonna be a week of sunshine, so I'll try and maximize on that. Yeah. So yeah.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how
guys, it's now 11:58. I finished my workout with Matthew, and then I found that workout exceptionally difficult and strenuous, purely because today was meant to be a heat wave. We've been punked again. It was so cold, and I just felt it exceptionally more difficult, as much as we're doing similar things like we've done before. Anyway, I successfully finished, and then I had my porridge. The porridge, I normally add stevia, full fat milk, and a bit of collagen peptides. I'll probably insert a clip. My phone had died, and then by the time I got home, I just wanted to die a death. I didn't have time to switch on my camera or anything like that, or set up my phone, so I just took a quick snippet, which I showed you guys. I've eaten. I feel loads better now. I'm outside Savers. I'm going to pick a couple of things, which I will show you guys most definitely. And then I head off to Lidl. My lips are dryish. I'm going to treat myself to a new lip balm, because the Carmex I have is nearly done, so I might as well re-up. So yeah, that's what's going on. I promised I'll take you guys with me, so let's go. So this is what I got. I got the Intense Comfort, the Lenore scent boosters. I got that wash for Arlo. I got this for my hair. I saw someone on YouTube raving about this, so I said I'm gonna give this a go. I got this, which are cotton pads. It's Easter, so I got that as well. Ferrero Rocher, Carmex, wet wipes, pink stuff, you know what it is. And I got this. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think I'm just gonna stop shooting now. And then...
By the way, Easter ended yesterday.
No, it's gonna end on Monday, buddy. Yeah, so this is my shopping stash from Savers. I'm just gonna leave that here and get to editing as soon as possible, and catch up with you guys later. Bye.